I recently had the opportunity to use Trex RainEscape and review it. So I'm going to talk about that a little bit here. We have a walkout basement, we have a lot of deck and patio space, and we recently got a hot tub, which we put underneath the main deck area. So we wanted to make sure that we could, prevent water and rain and snow or whatever from coming through those, so we could use our hot tub year round. So we decided to use Trex RainEscape. And what it is like a drainage system. So it catches all the weather, the rain and snow and everything, and it diverts it out of the out of the deck away from the house, and makes the space below really usable. It also protects your joists on your deck from moisture. So we really liked using Trex RainEscape. It was super simple, straightforward to install, and we have an existing deck, so we actually had to kind of take the deck apart and then put the system in place and then put the deck back together. So obviously, if you have the opportunity, if you're building a brand new deck or whatever, I would suggest, highly suggest putting in the system as you're building it, and then that way it's protected from the very beginning. And even if you don't want to use the full drainage system, you can just put the tape on top of the joists to protect those from moisture. And that's like a extra 1 minute process per joist. So anyway, that's what we did, and we were able to do it in a weekend. I would say it's not like the quickest thing ever, but it's definitely doable. And that was another reason we chose Trex RainEscape, is because it is totally a do-it-yourself type thing, and we didn't have to hire anybody to install it. We're both pretty handy, so it wasn't too hard for us to figure it out. We had a little bit of trial and error, but that's normal. That's to be expected, and we got it figured out, and we got it done, and we love it. We're so happy we did it. It's so nice to be able to, have that space underneath, which, we can use it rain or shine. So it's just great, and we love being able to use Trex RainEscape.